my name is Aaron Tvbaugh. I'm the Director of Education here at Johnstone Supply, and we've got a couple exciting announcements for you today. Number one, we're excited to announce our channel here, Johnstone Solutions on YouTube, is back up and running. We'll be bringing you tons of content moving forward, both in the realms of technical and people upskilling, if you will. Another piece that we have today to announce is our troubleshooting class for next week from Mini Splits. It's going to be held here, one-day class. You can choose November 7th, 8th, or 9th at our Western Drive location, 1125 Western Drive here in Indianapolis. It's going to be taught by one of our professional service technicians, Mr. Tom Robinson, and we're going to take you out to see the lab now, and he will kind of walk you through really what to expect during this one day of training.
Hi, I'm Tom with Johnstone Supply, Technical Support and Training, putting in some Daikin mini split systems. Each of the systems that we're putting in has a manufactured error that we put in place for our diagnostics and troubleshooting class. And what that's going to do is going to cause the technician to have to go through the entirety of that diagnostic cycle and that process to identify suitably what that issue is on the individual systems. Each system is going to have a slightly different issue, be it a failed component, be it faulty wiring, or be it installed incorrectly, to make sure that you know how to go through the entirety of that process and identify what's going to be a nuisance issue and what issue is going to be a catastrophic failure of that system. If you're interested in increasing your knowledge base of the Daikin ductless mini split systems here at Johnstone Supply, please feel free to reach out to your local sales representative, branch manager, or our tech team administrator, Rachel.